Okay, let's look at this example here. We've got one number, take away another number. Okay, if I were to put 7 into here, and then take away, let's say, minus 3, what would this look like? Well, it would be 0 here, 7 here, because this is our starting position. This is our direction. I said that if you minus, you go to the left, but because it's a minus, we would flip it, and it would be in effect be adding 3. So this in effect is 7 add 3, because it's a minus, so we flip it. So to solve this, we could just get 7 add 3. Okay, and I showed you that in the previous video. We would tend to put our fingers into the bubble and take out this negative out here. So when it's already a negative, so we, in effect, it's already a negative. So we take this negative out and turn it into a positive. So take it out and then put it over here, so it turns it into a positive. So for example, let's this is what we had earlier. You put your fingers into here, and then you take it out here. So put your fingers into the bubble, take it out, and put it out here. So in effect, it's 7 plus 3, because normally you would take away 3, but because it's a minus, you flip it. Okay. So if someone gives you something like this, bubble that's anywhere, let's say 6, take away negative 3, for example, we would take this out here, so it would be 6 plus 3. These two are the same thing. Okay, in effect they're the same. Okay, so let's say, but what happens if we have something like let's say 8, and then we plus a negative number, so it's like this, minus 3. Remember, I'm allowed to put any number into the two bubbles here. So in this case, I'm putting a positive into here and a negative into here. So here, what do? Well, earlier, if we have a negative, and there's a negative inside the bubble, we would take it out and turn it into a positive. But here it's already a positive. So if it's already a positive, you turn into, okay, if you were to take this out, it would become this, 8 minus, inside the bubble would be 3. Okay, so it would look like this. So if it's already a positive, when you take it out, it would be a negative 3. The good thing is the bubble is a positive now. Okay, it's really confusing when you have a negative inside a bubble. So if someone gives you this, let's say any number, let's say add another number. I'm allowed to put any number into here, so let's say 3, and then I'm going to add, say I'm allowed to put any number into here. I'm going to say minus 2. So because there's a minus inside this bubble, it's quite confusing. So I'm going to pretend to plug it outside. Just take the minus sign out here, so it becomes this. Hang on, and then I've got. So this here is 3. I'm going to take the minus out and put it out here. So because it's already a positive, I'm going to turn it into a negative, and then it becomes that. So I know it sounds strange, but just do it for the time being. Then and then when we practice it several times, then it will make sense. So here, what would this be? It would be 0 here, 3 here, and then now it's minus. Okay, minus 2. So minus 2, this would be 1. It equals 1. So minus 3. So it's 3 plus minus 2. It's actually 1. I know it sounds weird. Just need to practice a few times. The next few videos we will practice. Then it will make sense after that. Okay.